Hi. Hello and welcome to By Environi Season 2. My guests tonight are two of my personal favorite content creators. You guys, welcome.
Aw.
You're a stand-up comedian by profession in the
Yes.
beginning. You blew up during the lockdown last year.
That's very true.
Where content was served one after the other. And you have a lot of comedy, relatable content on your page, but you also have Wing It with Ankush,
Yes.
which is your new venture into makeup and beauty
Yes.
and men in makeup.
Yes.
I love all of these. Ankush and Aishwarya, welcome to By Environi Season 2.
Very
Yeah,
excited.
very
Thank you
excited,
so much
but
for having
more nervous
us.
than excited. But thanks for having us.
It's fun. This is your first talk show debut.
Yeah.
First big talk show debut. Yeah, like I've done one talk show before.
I like that.
For
I like
me,
the
small,
talk
big, anything. It's
show. It counts.
yes.
I like it big though, when it comes to talk shows. Like, I like the scale, the
Good to
production, all
know,
that.
good
Thank
to
you.
know.
Thank you.
Not at all TMI. No innuendo is there.
No, they know. My audience, I'm very open and like honest with them.
Oh, beautiful.
Okay, in the beginning, can I have my invite card signed?
Yes.
And then we'll start talking.
I don't know the point of this because मेरे तो like bank में मेरे sign match नहीं करते हैं just saying.
हाँ, नहीं.
Doesn't matter.
So,
मैं लूटता नहीं हूँ.
are you gonna like auction this? Because nobody's gonna buy it. This is nobody cares about our
The other side, the plain side.
plain side. You want us to sign?
I want to know right in the beginning, how did you guys find each other?
Oh, find each other.
Do you remember?
I remember
I don't remember who contacted whom, but like it was a DM.
he shared some content of mine. And I used to follow him before he followed me. And then
So
he
he
shared.
didn't even follow you.
Didn't
until,
even
like,
का क्या मतलब like जब when I discover her, I'll follow her. When I discover her, ना like if I hadn't
hadn't-
discovered
That's
her,
not
stand-up.
true. The first time I saw Ankush, I was doing a stand-up show in Delhi, and he was in the audience. And
बोल
Okay,
बोल
so-
बोल बोल no
so
let
we
her
go
let her,
long
let her.
back.
बोल बोल
Okay.
बोल.
it's not true or what?
Of course not because I've never been to a stand-up comedy show.
It was not a stand-up comedy show. It was an award show, and I was opening over there. And you were there. I could see Kusha and all got an award.
The Viduli Award. Was it that?
I don't recollect.
In a hotel?
Yes.
Oh, yeah. I didn't. Why did you never tell
You're
me
figuring
this?
things out today on this set. Fabulous.
No, because we've never discussed this. How did you discover each other? Or
Yeah, but
whatever.
we talked like usi time kabhi.
No, we didn't. Much later. This was back in 2019 when I used to do stand
Acha,
up
हाँ,
and
right,
everything.
right.
Like,
This, I discovered her in the pandemic.
Yes, you
Her
did.
content, yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
It was your ray of sunshine during your pandemic.
okay.
Okay.
Okay, so what about each other's content or like the vibe did you like the most? Aishwarya, you tell me about Ankush.
Ankush is.
Karnap?
I just started. The first
Tariq
thing that I
Kapoor.
saw about
okay.
his was the Big Boss Wala video.
Oh.
So much I've
actually
laughed,
really like
dude.
that,
So
yeah.
much I've laughed.
I love that one line where he says,
मैं
"ये तो
तो
मेरी
करूँगा,
strategy
Yeah,
है."
ये तो
मेरी
मेरी
strategy
strategy
है.
is so funny.
Yeah, I love
remember
that.
I watched that video, I shared it on my story and I showed it to my dad also and he put up like 2-3 videos.
Yeah,
Big
yeah.
Boss Wala.
Yeah.
And I was like, oh man, this guy is too funny.
Yeah.
And I'm not a very big fan of his rants. I'll be very honest.
that's okay, huh.
Sometimes I'm just like, Ankush, yaar, you're not like this in real. He's
But I
not
didn't
very
ask her.
ranty.
I only asked you what you liked about him.
But,
But then,
But obviously, na, वो बोलेगी वो तो.
yeah,
yeah,
100%.
I'm like that. Thoda.
Yeah, she is.
We're real.
But yeah, I love his almost his
Oh
short
yeah.
story that he's done.
The only short film of mine that you like is
That's
almost.
true.
There are
This
more?
one.
I'm very
so, Yeah,
honest
there are
also.
one. So Aishwarya.
The one that you did with Shibani.
Yes.
Yeah, that's
I
almost.
really-
So I've done more short films, and the thing with Aishwarya is that I'm a people pleaser, and she's the exact opposite of a people. She's almost a people offender.
Yeah, yeah.
So this one time, like we became friends, and then I was messaging her. I was like, "Tu mera kaam dekhegi, you know, like I've done some acting work. Why don't you watch it?" She's like, "Yeah, dikha." I sent her links of my short films. She's watching it, and इसके live reviews आ रहे हैं messages पे, and she's mocking me in voice notes.
It's so bad, Renal. It's so bad.
And I was like, "You know that I'm seeking validation right now. I'm showing it to you only
Why
because."
would you show me this if you're seeking validation?
Look
It
at
is
her.
no, but it was genuinely because he's done this really long back. Okay,
Like
so-
almost is your recent one.
Yeah, yeah.
You
Almost-
like that?
so good. I remember watching it, and the thing is, I could find it relatable also because this is exactly how I've been with my exes also.
Yeah.
My God, I had like tears in my eyes and everything. I was proper.
But ये तू वो नहीं बताई कि तूने कितनी बेइज्जती करी थी बाकी
You want me
short
to
films.
say that?
No, actually no. Don't do that. Okay.
Why would I say that? You're the one who's bringing it up.
Yeah,
Correct,
that's true.
correct.
But what I liked about Aishwarya's content was that I remember she did this reel कि you know like imagining that a guy is looking at you and वो दुपट्टा अपना वो अलमारी पर अटका के किया है and then some hair fall video and honestly what I loved the most was that mostly when people make relatable reels they amp up their energy and their expressions like I also do that
Yeah.
she doesn't do it
Yeah.
like sometimes she's just almost blank
Yeah.
and it's
Which
still
is
so
hilarious.
engaging
Yeah.
it's still so engaging so I think I found that very refreshing
No, I like that. I love the poker face sometimes, like
very subtle expressions
inside
very
I'm dead,
subtle.
Yeah.
kind of a face.
Yeah.
Like even when we collaborated on like reels and stuff, I was still going all out. But Aishwarya जब करती थी,
when it comes to collab, I think I wouldn't have done that. First collab that I've ever done
Yeah.
in terms
Really?
of content creation was Ankush.
The
And
Neha
that's-
one.
The Neha Kakkar
Yeah, I
one.
see.
And
Yeah.
I'm saying,
Super
we're
funny.
saying it as
I
though
know. I saw.
we've done some great movies. And yeah, Neha Kakkar. You know that movie that we starred in or whatever.
Yeah.
But yeah, it was because he asked me. I've never approached anyone because I feel very awkward and stuff.
Yeah.
But he asked me, "Karna hai?" I said, "Yeah, of course." And he
and then we
was,
shot it at the same time. We were on the phone.
Yeah.
and he guided me properly. Like I was sending him videos, and he was like, "ऐसे मत कर, ऐसे कर, ये कर, वो कर," which was.
Okay, fab.
मेरे को लगा तो high five.
Sorry.
छोड़ अब हो गया.
I'm
The moment's gone.
थोड़ा auntie like that.
Moment is
Going
being
like
lost.
that.
Okay.
The moment's gone.
Fine.
I know that in India, sort of like everybody in our family and relatives and all that are sort of coming into terms with the fact that this is like a full-time profession for people also. You can do this and make money.
Yeah.
At what point did like people understand, or do you still have people in your family and relatives who are like, but like, what do you do for a living?
Initially, my mom was very skeptical as to stand up as a profession. Are you sure?
Yeah.
You know, who will get married to you? Very valid questions also, because I've tried Shadi.com. Nobody wanted to get married to me. And
You're on
stuff.
Shadi.com.
I'm still on Shadi.com.
What nonsense?
Because I can't
You use it
delete
for
the account.
content.
No, I didn't. We
Wait,
downloaded
one
it.
second. Why are you still on Shadi.com?
Because you can't delete your account.
What does that mean?
There's no option of deleting account.
So once you get married, you're
Once
still on
you're-
Shadi.com.
I think so.
So then you can probably tick us like taken or something like that. Maybe.
I have no idea. Because we tried, my
Look
dad
at
and
this-
I
look at
tried
this
getting out
strategy.
of.
Once you're on it, शादी करके तुम जाओगे.
करके ही तुम
Yeah,
जाओगे.
it's insane. And it's quite annoying because I still get like messages from people.
Really?
DMs
Does Akash
me.
know that you're still on Shadi.com and you still get
Now he
messages?
knows.
So now what is the state like with
With
everybody?
parents,
Yeah.
everyone is, including my extended family, everyone's very supportive. Everyone's very, like the other day on my family group, my dad, I keep making videos with my dad. So some cousins of mine, my bua and everyone messaged on the group saying how good it is and how happy they are for me and my dad and everything. So it's full hum saath saath hai, but urban hum saath saath hai.
Telling you bitches listen to this. And while I say bitches, I'm referring to my parents. Okay?
See how you're doing and how
Yeah,
can
now,
you say,
yeah.
how can you say your parents are not supportive when you
When you calling them bitches on camera,
I took it
But who
never.
cares? I don't live with them. No, they'll deal with it.
that's a good strategy. Actually.
Yeah. Listen, you started Wing It with Ankush. Now, we didn't know each other personally.
Yeah.
We only knew through Instagram.
Yeah.
But I was personally proud when I saw it because I think it's a very important conversation and very important form of content in India for a cisgender guy to sort of come up with makeup and sort of breaks boundaries, which is very, very cool. But is it how everyone looks at it? Because you have an audience that's mass also, right? That's a
Yeah.
lot of your audience. How easy is it to sort of break it to them that I'm a cisgender man in makeup and that's how I want to do it?
See, I'll tell you, there are two aspects to it. One, and this is something that I've realized with like criticism that came my way.
Yeah.
Now the thing is that when a cisgender man does makeup, like people are going to like support him, and
Yeah.
sometimes they will use words casually like, you know, you're a revolutionary and you're
Yeah.
doing, you know, you're the torch bearer of this. While, you know, like when I look back and when I've seen people do makeup, a lot of them have been from the LGBTQ community,
Yeah.
right? So they are the ones who've actually led this movement.
Yeah.
I've just joined in. Like
Yeah.
it's not the first time that a man is doing makeup.
Yeah.
It's just that when a cisgender man does it, it gets more notice. So I guess that is a privilege that I had,
Yeah.
which is why I got the support that I got. And but my audience is mostly very supportive, I think.
Yeah.
Also because I've been working for like a really long time. So मैं जब articles लिखता था तब से मेरी audience वो इकट्ठी होती जा रही है, and they've
हाँ.
kind of grown with me.
Yeah.
So I've not like, I would say that I lucked out with the kind of audience that I have, and also the privilege of being cisgender. But yeah, the makeup has been received well.
Have you gotten hate though?
I've got criticism, yes.
Yeah.
I've got criticism which was important, but yeah, of course, I do get hate. Anybody who wears makeup on the internet, even women get hate for wearing makeup. So like,
Yeah.
of course. So like anybody
Like,
wears
इतना
makeup.
करके क्यों आ रही है?
Exactly. Like ना makeup लगाओ तो they'll be like, कि
Yeah. Like I don't put much makeup and I get a lot for that.
you do.
I get कि I just कि आपके
It's a-
dark circle
Yeah,
ये
it's a
वो.
never ending, like you can never like balance this out.
Yeah.
Like what do
Yeah.
you want? Like
So like a more nuanced audience will realize that okay, ये इसकी privilege है as a cisgender man.
Yeah.
But like a lot of people will just be like कि तू लड़का है, तू makeup क्यों लगा रहा है? ये
Yeah.
सब तो लड़कियों के काम है. So all that hate, of course, yeah.
does that ever gotten into you to a point where you were like, I don't know if I can continue doing this?
On a bad day, yes.
Yeah.
Like on most days I can handle it, but if I'm already having a bad day, जब already दिन बुरा जा रहा है, तो फिर
Yeah.
the smallest of things can like really
Yeah.
trigger you.
Yeah.
Also because when you put something out there like that, you're already known for like comedy. Now
Yeah.
you're doing something completely different.
Yeah.
Now that could turn either way. Like you could get support or you could also get hate.
Yeah.
So then you start doubting yourself also. Ki, was this the right decision? Should I have done that?
Yeah.
So yeah, on
Fair
a
enough.
bad day, it just like gets to you. Yeah.
Yeah, true. But I'm glad that you guys are dealing with it well. I haven't really seen a breakdown on social medias yet. I've realized that for all of us, there are like different levels of thresholds when it comes to breaking points, right? There's a lot that we can take in until like,
मेरा यहाँ है.
okay, your threshold is very low, huh? What has been like the biggest breaking point for you in your lives? And like something that sort of took a lot of time for you to get out of?
I don't understand.
What is something that broke you?
इतना deep question पूछा.
Yeah.
I don't understand.
इस फर्स्ट सेगमेंट में हम थोड़े सीरियस
Okay.
बातें करते हैं इधर उधर.
What broke me? Well, I have felt this will become too much
Tell.
for this makeup and all.
It's not going with my vibe.
It's not.
Tell.
But I have I've lost people
Yeah.
in terms of human beings who were close to me.
People in terms of
it's hard
human
for me to
beings,
take this
that's-
seriously
that's-
and like relate when like she right before the shoot, this is too much for this makeup and
Yeah,
whatever.
I mean,
Yeah, but I know it's one of my biggest fears too.
yeah.
Yeah.
So I have two people very close to me in my life
Yeah.
passed away in points in my life where I didn't know how to handle death.
Yeah.
So I think that was actually in a way it's made me who I am also.
Yeah.
Because I am able to face a lot of things in my life, even though you should not compare grief.
Yeah.
But I tend to be like, okay, if I could get over that, this is also something that I can deal with.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Like when you've seen the pits, you
Yeah.
know when you've seen the pits, basically.
yeah, like that was I think rock bottom for me,
Yeah.
and I know there's more rock bottom to come.
Don't say that.
Or not.
I mean, of course, right?
Let's
Or
hope
not.
Or not, yeah.
You're putting this out in the universe. No.
No, okay, touch
Just
wood.
say I'm
Ayo,
more pessimist.
what a me! But yeah, so I think that kind of I was damn low and I didn't know how to deal with it. But then I've been able to deal with breakups also after that, you know.
Yeah.
Because you're just like, okay, if I could deal with that.
What is this?
Not what is this? I experience it and I cry and I mope and I go for therapy and everything. But
Yeah.
which I have. And
We'll get to that. We'll get to the details.
घुमा फिरा के आ गई.
So part of the content, we must explain anything that works for us. We must talk about. What about you?
The pits, like we're calling it,
Yeah.
was like some years ago, like not recently, some years ago, I lost a very good friend, like lost as in the friendship got over.
Yeah.
And somehow that affected me a lot because I think at that point in life, I had only one great thing going was like friendship.
Yeah.
And like that ended and I was just like for about 1.5 years, I was just really in a very terrible state.
Yeah.
So I think, and that is when I realized that I have anxiety.
Yeah.
Because I got like panic attacks and stuff, and I didn't know what it is back then. Okay, so उस time पे I dealt with it, and I know how I dealt with it. Like I don't know, I don't think I could manage it again. Like I don't want something like that to happen to me again. Like for me to feel like that again. And then later, like a few years later, something else happened which triggered the anxiety again, and then I got panic attacks. But till then, I had like more awareness about mental health. So then I sought therapy.
Yeah.
But उससे पहले, like now that I think कि अगर मुझे उस time पता होता, I could have dealt with it much better.
But
उस time I just waited for it to get over, and thankfully I did get out of it. But
Yeah.
like there could have been a chance that I couldn't have. So that was like I get very like jittery just thinking about it. Yes.
I'm happy that you guys are sort of talking about therapy and sort of asking for help when you have to, right? That's
Yeah,
very
yeah.
good. And I'm glad that it's made you stronger and you've come out of it stronger and happier. And you do all of it.
I honestly don't know if you come out of things like stronger or you just come out of them more scared and more wary of things.
Yeah.
Maybe that is stronger. I don't know. Like, I don't feel that I've come out of it stronger.
Yeah.
I just feel that I've come out of it a little more wary of things. So,
That's not a great place to be in. You must work on this.
okay, new realization.
This you must work
New
on.
realization.
No, but I think it's fair, right? Because then you're more careful
Yeah.
and you're more aware.
I mean, unless you're stopping yourself from possibilities of like.
No, वो
friendship and
वैसा
stuff
कुछ
like
नहीं
that,
है,
yeah.
वैसा कुछ नहीं है. But it's just that I don't think you grow wiser. I think you just grow more scared of things. I don't know. Like, I'm a very scared person in general.
Okay.
I'm sorry, there's no motivation, inspiration here. Please don't. This is not supposed to encourage anyone into
This is
anything.
reality TV. We very real things we say.
Yeah.
But we'll do more of this, okay?
Okay.
After we take a break.
Okay, let's take a
Okay, you guys take a break. We'll see you on the other side.
Makeup touch up कर. अरे मैं don't ask me to choose between friends. They're both friends. I think Tiger Shroff.
Fair enough. There you go. I also think for the way he looks, he can really like kill it.
Too bronzed.
Yeah, yeah. Welcome back to Bine Varuni Season 2. You guys, welcome back. We're in conversation with Ankush and Aishwarya.
Yes.
Are you guys having a good time?
Very good time.
मुझे तो बहुत मजा आ रहा है.
Okay, chalo. So this is like the second segment. We have a game coming up called Spill It or Strip It. Before that, I want to ask you, what is like the relationship scenario and stuff like? I know you are very openly in a relationship with this cutie called Akash.
Yeah.
I heard the story once when we spoke on Clubhouse or whatever you told me. But what is the scene for everybody here? How did you guys meet and stuff?
So we know of each other because we're pretty much in the same industry.
He DM'd you or something, na?
I just want to say,
Yeah.
I just want to say that I knew about it before a lot of people knew about
Yes.
it.
I mean, I had
What
not
is this
told
like?
people.
I don't know, just
that
want to
Show
feel
off of
important.
privilege.
Yeah, just want to feel important.
No, so we knew of each other like since 4 years and all. We're in the same circuit.
Yeah.
But very like this year only, we never used to follow each other.
Huh.
But then he did, and he messaged me, and we started talking. And it was we haven't stopped talking.
So how long have you guys been dating for?
5 months.
5 months. That's it.
That's it.
Very
Baby
new.
relationship. So is it scary when you sort of put it out?
It is very scary.
Yeah.
मैं ऐसे यही पूछता रहता हूँ कि
Ah.
It's very scary.
Because I know like you guys are very open about it and very like
Yeah.
lots of media on social media I see on a daily basis.
I didn't know it would blow up so much. I didn't think that people would be so interested, to be very honest.
Yeah.
Or voyeuristic.
Yeah, that everybody is.
But
Like.
people are voyeuristic.
Yeah.
People are,
That's a
but I
fact.
just
I
thought
thought
that
so.
my life is not that interesting.
I want to know everything that's happening in your
Yeah,
life.
but I thought that my life wasn't that interesting.
Huh.
And suddenly when I started putting it out, it obviously got me a lot of traction. So,
But
both-
people were always interested in your love life also because you were like, they knew that you were single.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
you were talking about it. So
Correct.
they were always interested in your life,
Yeah.
I think.
Correct. But I think I'm also, I kind of didn't realize this was happening.
Yeah.
So I was just putting out content. Okay,
Yeah.
that's what I still do.
Yeah.
My relationship is very different. What I show
Yeah.
is not.
All of it. you
It's
mean.
not
Yeah.
the all of it.
Yeah.
We fight and we have whatever
days and stuff like that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so all that obviously I don't put up.
Yeah.
It's a very ideal thing on social media. Ki,
But whatever I see, I find it cute.
It's very
yeah,
cute. It's
so
very
that's
cute.
what I put up the cutesy stuff. I put up like relatable stuff. I'll do
Yeah.
content. I make content, and he's also very aware of it.
Yeah.
Which is why and he's very supportive.
Yeah, Akash is supportive to the extent that he's told me that Aishwarya का पहला extramarital affair तेरे साथ होगा. He's told me. I'm like, okay, great.
Great.
Which is exactly, he put up a photo, Ankush put up a photo with me, and Akash went and commented on it. Saying
Yeah,
this,
he
which is
commented
so
saying कि
cool.
अब इसके साथ तेरा
Yeah.
extramarital affair होगा.
Which is obviously all of this is banter. We've spoken about all of
Yeah,
this.
yeah, yeah.
So,
We get it, we get it.
Yeah.
No, but it's cool that he's cool with all the jokes and stuff like
Yeah.
that because internet can be a little unforgiving, you know.
It is like, I too have mentally, I've also thought, ki, what if this doesn't work out? Which it
Yeah.
will. touch wood. Oh, what if, God forbid, something, if it doesn't work out, how you're supposed to deal with it?
Yeah.
What my
हम उससे
story...
यही तो discuss कर रहे थे कि तू क्या like
You
what
do.
will you
It has to be content then also. You have to do a breakup video.
Yeah.
a breakup
Thought,
vlog.
like,
Yeah.
yeah, people do it also, no?
Yeah.
In my head,
some
I'm
of the content
thinking-
creators, like most watched video. Like for example, when David Dobrik broke up with
David
Liza,
Dobrik, exactly.
it's like in like some insane number of millions. The
Yeah.
video. You'll cry a little. No, it's fab only. It's great
Something-
content.
I'm considering getting into a relationship only for this.
Only for this
video.
breakup video.
I do keep thinking ki if Kareena Shahid could break up and
That's-
get on with life,
yeah, that's
and
true.
people
That's true.
were okay with it.
Yeah.
मैं क्या ही हूँ यार?
I mean, but see the thing is, then the end results have to be like this. Because look at where Kareena and Shahid is. You have to find those
Somewhere
people
to
also.
I'll get na.
Huh.
Like,
Yeah.
why are we talking about breakup?
Breakups, yes.
I'm not breaking up. This
Okay,
is
you're not
it.
breaking.
Touch wood. Oh,
Yes. Would only this is.
yeah.
What about you?
I am.
I've not seen anything only. You know.
Yeah. I don't. I'm single. Yeah, I'm single.
But why?
How is
Why
one
are
supposed
you
to
looking
answer?
at me?
Arey, but like, how is
As
one
though I'm
supposed
the
to
one
answer
who's
why?
like, Ankush,
I mean,
why?
you will have
Like, you
like
want me
a-
to cry on the show?
Yes.
No, I'm just like, I don't know. I'm just single.
Like
Yeah,
you would have
just
thought about this.
sound
Like, how long have you been single for?
I've been single for about 2 years. 2 years.
Oh, 2 years. That's not bad.
Yeah, I'm okay,
Okay,
being
since you're not
oh, shit, I've
dating-
never said this on camera before. Fuck, I just realized.
That's the point of a talk show, Ankush.
Wow,
Okay, now listen.
Yeah.
Since
I
you
thought
don't have
about
you're not in a relationship and all of that. We can't talk about the other person, right?
Yeah.
So what's your type generally?
Someone not in the show business for sure.
Okay.
For sure. And the thing right now is that
Why
I'm
is that?
spending. Yeah, because there's me already. Ab do log ek jaise, you know, like because I know
This
everything that
attention
goes.
can't be divided that much.
Not just the attention, like the kind of work that I do, it's so consuming.
Yeah.
I can't have a partner whose work is also so consuming and
Yeah.
also
So you won't date a creator.
I will, yeah, I don't think I can. And also, like, when you're working together, the vibe is very different. And I don't think anyone can look at me in a romantic way when I'm working. Like, it's not, I don't think it's attractive by any means. And I don't feel attracted to
Yeah.
people who are doing the same stuff because I know behind the scenes, I know what all goes into
Correct.
it. It's just not attractive. I find, no,
A new spectrum and profession is what you're looking for.
probably, yeah.
If any lawyers
Mostly-
are interested,
Mostly
Doctors.
mostly someone who can like tolerate me is enough. That's how low the
Okay.
benchmark
Aw.
is. That's not true actually. I'm pretty
yeah,
choosy.
you're very
See?
picky.
There you
I
go.
am.
I realize that a lot of people around us change once you sort of start getting popular and like, you know, your content starts taking off and all of that.
Yeah.
Has that changed? Have you found, like you say Sapolas in your life?
Not Sapolas, but I mean, yeah,
Just
some
say
of
it.
them.
Say the truth.
Some of them.
Chalo.
I'll tell you, some of my school bullies,
Yeah.
like people who bullied me in school for the way
Yeah.
I looked and everything,
Yeah.
and I was not cool enough. And now suddenly they like message me and they're like, "Oh, you're doing so well, this and that," and they don't acknowledge the fact that like you guys made my childhood hell.
Yeah.
And now that I am, doing something where people know me,
Yeah.
you think I'm cool enough for you to like message me and appreciate me, but like you caused trauma,
Yeah.
so like I don't appreciate that at
Yeah.
all. And yeah, Sapolas to nahi, but there have been some people who thought that I had suddenly changed a lot. Like because
Okay.
when I was in college, I was really underconfident and I couldn't face people. I couldn't make eye contact also.
Yeah.
And now I'm doing this, and they can't seem to realize that it's the same person. So they're like, "Tu to fake kar raha hai," like you're just.
You become
faking it.
confident now and you're like, this is not you.
Yeah, they're like.
Be the underconfident self.
Yeah,
of
they're
yours.
like, because we knew you like that, so we can't accept you like this. And I'm like, but people grow, right?
You should turn around and say, that sounds like a personal problem to me.
I should do that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then I don't think they should be in your life. I know, I'm not the one to decide.
No, they're not.
Yeah, fair. Okay.
Yeah.
sure. What about you? Tell us about the snakes.
Snakes.
I really don't have any snakes per se.
You got the snake.
He's
you don't
wearing
have-
green and he's the one saying that.
if you don't know any snakes around you, you're probably it.
You are dressed like one black mamba and you're saying he's wearing green.
We're both dressed like snakes.
Yeah, we go dressed like.
I'm the fashionable international one, you know.
Yeah, okay, fine. Fair.
No, like, of course, I have, people have viewed my content and, like, my school bullies,
Yeah.
if I can call them, who were not really nice to me. Of course, they've reached out and.
Yeah.
But I also feel that we've all evolved
That's also true.
since bachpan, you know,
That's
like
also-
when I was in the 8th standard, I was an idiot.
Yeah.
You know, the kind, I was all like, oh my god, I will never say the F word and
Yeah.
that person. And
Fuck
I've changed so much. Yeah, exactly.
Fuck that.
So of course I've changed a lot since then, and so have they. So when they reach out, I don't think of it like, देखा आ गई ना वापस. I feel more of it like,
Yeah, yeah.
oh, we'd lost touch. We've become different people.
Yeah.
And now, of course, you see me more than I see you.
Yeah.
Which is why you've reached out. And you like my work and everything. So I don't.
That's sweet. Yeah.
I don't.
No, that's sweet. I agree. Like people
Yeah.
evolve, and I've forgiven those people. It's not like I
Yeah.
hold grudges, but वही है कि like some things just like trigger you at some level.
course.
You know?
Yeah, yeah,
So,
of course,
So,
100%.
Yeah. just
Okay,
that.
on that note, we will get to this game
Yes.
called Spill It or Strip It. I'll quickly tell you the rules. It goes like this.
Why aren't you playing the game?
You can ask me a question if you want to at the end. I'm not the guest on the show, but if you want to, I'm told like I have things to take off.
Yeah.
One question each you can ask.
मैं एक shoelace उतारूंगा.
ऐसे नहीं, which is why I'm telling you the rules. The rules goes like this. If I ask you a question, if you answer it, you're fine. Otherwise, you have to take off a piece of your clothing or an accessory. But when I say accessory, like shoes count as both the pair counts as one. Like earrings
Self-respect
counts as one.
counts as one.
Yeah, dignity, nudity, all of that.
You can also lie. I'm a great liar, by the way.
Oh,
Okay, great. I'm glad you're saying this now.
good to know.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna start with Ankush. Okay, this is your spill it or strip it. Either you answer, you take off something, whichever. Both works here. I love that you're very well dressed for this
Yes,
game. You have like three
I'll-
things to take off.
Yeah, I told also because I
Okay.
know that you do this.
Okay,
Chalo.
perfect. Ankush, I'm starting with you. Kusha or Dolly? Who's the better creator according to you?
अरे मैं don't ask me to choose between friends. They're both friends. They're not creators.
इसलिए तो game है.
My shoes.
Wow.
Are my socks pretty though? Oh, they're not going with the suit. I'm thinking of answering the question now. No, but I'm not answering this.
Okay, shoes have come off.
Shoes have come off.
Aishwarya, what is the weirdest WhatsApp group that you're a part of?
Weirdest WhatsApp group.
This is a good question. वो लोग देख रहे
Everybody is in one.
Weird WhatsApp group.
Yeah, like a name or like what goes on in it.
Yo, I have one WhatsApp group which is called Skype. Which is that's what I don't. एक तो I don't.
This
use
should not
only
count. It's
WhatsApp.
not an interesting answer. I'm
I
sorry.
can't
I
help
mean, it's
it.
fine. Now that is apparently
What
the
do I
weirdest
say?
one.
I don't have any WhatsApp group only.
Okay, Ankush. Who's one Bollywood actor who should definitely up their makeup game?
Okay, I'll have to answer this because I can't take off everything.
Yeah, there isn't
I have
much
to-
left, yeah.
I really can't.
I'm
think
so
of
glad I don't do makeup, fashion, nothing. Nobody can
I'm
ask me
actually
all this.
thinking. I think Tiger Shroff.
Fair enough. There you go. I also think for the way he looks, he can really like kill it.
Too bronzed. I think.
Yeah. Fair.
And that's like an objective way to look at it. There's no shade on anything.
yeah.
Not like Tiger Shroff.
Wo
Yeah,
cut-
because
वो cut
bronze
कीजिएगा.
shade तो you
About-
wouldn't want to put also. Na?
क्या बोल Yeah.
Aishwarya, if Akash was not in the picture, who's one Indian creator, you can't say Ankush and Aditya Roy Kapoor, that you'd like to go on a date with?
Go on a date with.
Quickly tell or take off something. Chalo. What?
Yeah, I want to answer this, but I can't think only of.
There's like Siddharth, who's his friend, Batra. There's Vishnu, who's Kaushal.
Vishnu's good. I would go on a date with Vishnu.
You gonna? I don't know why I'm answering this for you, Vishnu.
Yeah, Vishnu.
I would have rather you taken off something, but then chalo.
What? I'll remove my ring. What is that?
Okay, chalo. Ankush,
मैं मोजे उतार रहा हूँ.
if you could punch 3 famous people,
Okay.
who would they be?
Shit. Will this really get me into trouble?
No.
Okay. 3 famous people I would want to punch. Do you have any suggestions? You can help. I tried helping
Nothing.
you.
Chalo, human being,
What?
come on.
I am so clueless right now. Fuck. Do you have any suggestions?
Quickly take off.
I'll take. I have ugly feet. I'm very conscious of my feet.
Okay.
Okay, sure.
But who would you?
Aishwarya.
I'm asking you. 3 said. Oh!
Hi,
You're
God.
But I won't say it. I don't want to get into trouble.
Who? Got it.
But I can't say it.
Yeah, you can't.
Aishwarya, name one brand integration you regret having done. Don't take the brand, but why do you regret it?
See,
Now we're going quick, okay? If you don't have an answer, quickly take it off.
Yeah, but it's not. I don't have an answer because I don't want to take the name or anything.
Everybody has been great.
Okay, one integration I had done, and they just gave me so much feedback. It really annoyed the fuck out of me.
Why are you not asking these questions to me? I have answers.
I'll ask more.
It's so annoying because they just. I sent them some 3-4 drafts, and each time they were like, "You're too close to the camera. No, now you go back.
I hate
Come
yeah.
far."
Okay.
Got very annoyed.
Well done. Name one creator couple who are actually faking their relationship for social media.
I have no idea. No. Genuinely no.
Okay.
Yeah.
You wouldn't know.
No, I really wouldn't.
Aishwarya, choose quickly, career or sex?
Career.
Oh, Mallu, we don't have sex.
मतलब ठीक है यार, I'll do foreplay. It's not so important for me to
Sex
have.
includes foreplay, by the way.
Not
Yeah.
really.
Yeah, that's what he meant.
What? No physical
Yeah,
intimacy
no
whatsoever.
physical intimacy.
No
of
kissing,
course.
nothing.
Nothing. No
And
holding
my
hands.
husband is earning well.
Yeah, he is.
Then
He is. You're fine. Okay, chalo.
Sex.
Then sex.
If there's money coming inside the house,
Yeah, you're fine.
then I'm like, okay,
Chalo.
okay, fine.
Ankush, never have I ever had a one-night stand with a contemporary creator.
Never.
Oh, it's not your type also, you said.
Yeah.
Okay, chalo. Aishwarya,
Also, you can't just like. Yeah, no.
matlab? You can't like
No,
what?
you can. I'm sure. Yeah, you can. But like, I don't know. No.
Okay. Okay, next, Aishwarya. What was the last text you sent or received?
Something to Akash only. Like, you know, full sexting. We didn't meet for like 3 weeks. So you can. Full thing, start to end.
Okay.
I'm just glad this question went to her.
Okay. Ankush,
Yes.
what was the last text you sent or received?
It's not a sext,
Huh.
but I thought it was sexy.
Huh.
Be there in 5. It was that that was the only communication.
What? I mean,
Be
are we
there.
supposed to like read into the innuendos in this?
Be there in 5 is like
Be
what?
there in 5,
Like
matlab he's gonna meet
someone in 5
5.
minutes.
Okay.
But I don't. I'm not saucy enough for this game. I think.
And I have very Hindi, to darwaza khulla rakhna. That kind of rubbish. I tend to be very funny while sexting also. So
Fabulous.
Darwaza khulla raha.
Yeah.
That's the most sober actually. I think.
Okay, and finally for you, when was the last time you drank too much and made a fool of yourself?
I don't drink.
You were asking all the good questions to her that I could have answered.
Okay, you're allowed to answer this. She
No,
doesn't
now I
drink.
don't want to answer.
Answer.
No, now I don't want to answer.
When was the last time you drank too much and made a fool of yourself?
2019.
What did you do?
I talked to random stranger. Basic shit actually. I shouldn't have answered this.
All the good questions you're asking her.
Yeah, but they're so simple questions. You're asking me like which celebrities do you want to like punch?
Huh. But well done. You've come out in flying colors. Nothing
Thank
she has
you.
taken off. But you?
She's taken off rings.
Nothing I
Nothing.
removed.
No, she
My
took it-
rings
she
are
put it
here.
You answered everything.
Yeah.
Answered everything.
Yeah.
Everything I answered. Has this happened before? People have answered everything.
Yeah.
तो
Hi.
कुछ बहुत special.
But that's okay.
Yeah.
That's okay. This is just like feed porn. We're okay with that. We'll sell it later. The pictures and the video and all of that. Little like tingle it a little.
Listen. So give you
Take
like
it out,
sex shots.
Yeah.
My feet.
ये देख रहे हो ये? मेरा ये?
भाई मैं मिल actually मिल रहा है.
हाँ, of course.
ठीक है.
हाँ, fabulous. Well done. Thank you.
I was terrible.
No, you were fine. You're both fine, but she was better. But that's okay. You have another round to redeem yourself, which is where you actually win something.
क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
What
तू
is-
जीत कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
But that's
What
fine.
is in
There's
the hamper?
dignity. Lots of,
Dignity,
like,
dignity मैं बहुत पहले give up कर चुका हूँ.
there's like stuff.
There's stuff.
You'll see.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
Can I wear my shoes now?
Yes. When we take the break.
Sorry.
sit. During the break.
Dignity, dignity.
During the break. Let me call for the break. ये please रखिएगा. Snorting and he's called as a punny.
Yeah, I don't snort only.
Okay. Okay, on this note. On this note, we'll take the last break on By and By only. When we come back, is the quickie, and we'll see them fighting for the hamper.
Very, very, very rude. I want to say before this round begins, Renil is very rude to me.
चले जाओ यहाँ से. तुम मेरे बच्चे के बाप नहीं हो. मेरे पति घर आते ही होंगे.
Welcome back to By and By only Season 2. Aishwarya and Ankush, welcome back.
Yes.
This is the last segment.
My last chance to redeem myself.
Yes,
basically.
yes. This is Enter the Set. This hamper is what you win. If you win my quickie. Are you guys both good at quickies usually?
Yes.
Very good.
I'm mostly quick only.
I don't know anything else only. That's how he works.
I'm kidding.
Chal. Okay.
I don't know. I said that.
These are basically quick questions and quick answers. I started with Ankush last time. Should I start with you?
Yeah.
Okay. So I have a set of questions for you, then a set of questions for you.
Okay.
Okay.
तो अभी मैं relax कर.
First,
Okay.
don't put your hand in other people's quickies for no reason. Okay, let it be there only. Keep it there.
Lesson learned.
Yeah. Unless like the other person is into it, then that's different.
Another
Ayo.
lesson learned.
Okay. Oh, you ready to like?
Yeah.
Nah.
She's like,
Aishwarya Mohan Raj, are you ready for your quickie?
Yes.
are you ready?
Let's go.
Yes.
What's the sexiest thing about Akash?
His eyelashes.
What is the sexiest thing about Aditya Roy Kapoor?
His body.
Badan.
Torso.
Okay.
Abs. Everything.
What was the strangest pickup line that was ever used on you on social media?
I think I have.
You've used it on someone.
Like on Bumble and
Huh.
on dating apps basically, my opening line used to be चले जाओ यहाँ से तुम मेरे बच्चे के बाप नहीं हो मेरे पति घर आते ही होंगे, something like that.
You used it.
That used to be my opening line.
Very confrontational, scary person.
Yeah,
you are
because
on.
then it starts, na? Then you start like it immediately goes into the
So you
Smart.
start
Yeah.
you start with the who am I stand-up comedian?
yeah, pretty
Yeah.
much, yeah.
Who's one female Indian creator that you wouldn't wanna see near Akash at all?
Akash is very loyal like that.
Yeah, nobody guess. Quickly.
Yeah, but so that's why I'll say anyone doesn't
No,
matter.
you have to take one.
I find Kusha very hot.
So
So Kusha don't
Kusha can't be near
stand
Akash.
next to Akash. And she really likes his eyelashes also.
Oh.
So then the Kusha, you stay away from my Aku.
Okay.
That's not true. We'll do it.
we'll do it. She's included herself also. तुझे किसने invite करा?
I just, that's my way of making everyone feel a part of.
Okay, chalo.
Okay.
Does size matter?
No.
No. Okay. Rank the following creators in terms of talent. Kusha Kapila, Dolly Singh, Komal Pandey, mostly sane.
No. In terms of?
Talent.
So in terms of content that I like, okay, as a consumer, I think it is Kusha, Dolly, Prajakta, Komal.
Okay. How would you react if a fellow creator was checking out Ankush in front of you?
Please go ahead, check him out so much. I would go and I would ask, do you want me to go set you up with him? Because I will 100% do it. And
That
I'll
turns
go
you on a
tell
little
Ankush.
bit.
Huh?
That turns you on a little bit.
Why?
What?
Oh, I said Ankush. I meant Akash actually.
Oh, that's what I'm wondering. Fellow content
So
creators.
Ankush, you are though all ready for. You're like, yes.
Yeah, 100%. Fellow content creators checking Akash out.
Huh.
I don't mind it at all. I'll feel very like validated.
Yeah,
Look,
that-
it's my man being sexy.
What is the best way to seduce Aishwarya Mohan Raj?
My neck is very sensitive.
That's a good answer. actually.
Yeah, so like all this stuff you do, I'll be very seduced.
I'll be very seduced.
What is the most absurd thing that you've been asked to do by a brand?
By a brand, absurd to nothing. Everything is in my zone only.
Okay.
Never have I gotten any absurd shit.
Except for that one brand who asked for.
Yeah,
had too much
multiple
feedback.
takes and all is the max that I've felt weird about.
When was the last time you lied online and what was it about? It's your last question.
Guys, I'm so excited to be a part of this brand activity.
Did you use this today?
No.
When you were on this? Like,
No.
so excited to be here.
I've not put up anything about this.
Abhi, she won't tell you now.
No,
na?
you told me also, like in the beginning when I said welcome to whatever.
Yeah.
So excited to be here.
But that was not online. I'm kidding.
She means that only.
You want na masala and spice you want, no,
yes,
in your thing. I'm giving you all of
Chicken
that.
masala from Kerala.
No, but this only. Guys, so excited to be a part of this
Yeah.
brand activity and I love it. Please swipe up.
Yeah.
That doesn't sound like Aishwarya at all, by the way, for anything.
But
I'm
very
so excited
see,
to be
you
here.
listen to her very quick and
Thank
very like tuck tuck tuck
you.
she has given it.
That's
Yeah,
my baby.
Yeah, I can't be that.
You have to be, there is no option.
I'm already
Ankush,
giving up. Okay,
You
let's.
have to. This is not the attitude that we're going for here. Listen to me.
It's like scolding me.
Now you come in now that you're why how come you're rude to am I rude being rude?
Very, very, very rude. I want to say before this round begins, Renil is very rude to me.
Huh.
And if I lose this, then it's because Renil is rude to me.
Correct.
No,
correct.
it's also because Ashwara did a really good job.
see?
I was really good.
Ankush, this is your quickie. What are 3 must-have qualities that a prospective partner of yours must have?
Be grounded, first of all. Be good in bed,
Okay,
of course. And third, be independent.
fantastic. Rank the following creators in terms of talent. Siddharth Batra, Vishnu Kaushal, Aaron Cole and Sanket Mehta.
So again, like Aishwarya ne 1000 disclaimers diye, same disclaimers copied here.
Yeah.
As per my liking and as per the content that I like.
As an audience.
Yeah, as an audience,
Yeah.
not as a creator, as an
Yeah.
audience. Aaron, Batra, Vishnu, and then Sanket.
Okay, perfect. Hot or not, tell me the following things, okay?
मैं कौन होता हूँ hot not बोलने?
One night stands.
Hot.
Creators who buy followers and likes.
Not.
Which Indian creator would you dedicate the following songs to?
Okay.
Shape of You.
Like has to be a content creator.
Yeah.
Shape of You can be someone very fit. So, who's a fit? Vishnu is fit.
Vishnu is fit. Strip that down.
Strip that down. Me.
Yeah,
That's my
a
answer.
few of your inhibitions, you must strip that down.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that. Yeah, that. He
What-
should get the hamper.
Ye ghar bhijiye, please. Which reel of yours is your least favorite?
A certain brand deal.
Okay.
Is it the one that we both did?
I'm sure it is that also, and I'm sure there's more.
Okay.
Yeah.
Which is one quality in your ex that you still find irresistible?
Oh, X. Any X. Level-headedness.
That serious answer. Huh? What's the best part about being single?
You can have sex with whoever you want, and doesn't mean that I'm doing it, but you can.
If you could have a harem of Bollywood actors or actresses, who are 4 people you'd pick
For what?
for like to pray, to sit together and pray? Obviously.
For Bollywood, I don't know. None. I told you, I'm not attracted to people in the same profession.
What is the sexiest thing
Huh.
anyone has ever said to you or done for you?
Been very good in bed. That's the sexiest thing.
Okay, fair enough. What would you do if you woke up one morning and realized you had turned into Kushak Pila?
I would put up a story saying, please follow Ankush Bahuguna. She has a lot of followers.
What about Komal Pandey?
I would again put up a story saying, please follow Ankush Bahuguna. She also has a lot of followers.
Just cloud chasing
Yeah.
from the beginning, from get-go.
Yes.
Your final question is,
Oh, no. If I get Komal's, if I woke up as Komal, I will upload her stories jo uski phone pe, and I'll put like really bad Hindi songs. I love doing that to her. This was a thing, like she would put like English songs on her stories, then I would like screen record them and I'll put them on my story and put like really shady songs.
my
on them.
God, sabotaging content.
Yeah.
Yeah,
is
you
why-
gave all my answers, so you
See,
will
the
keep
thing
them.
is,
And who's winning the hamper?
see my outfit also, I'm standing up for the first
Oh.
Chalo, take it.
मेरे को इतना ग्रेट
Hey,
किया.
don't do like chalo take it like take it.
No, as in that was the thing
I
for him.
deserve it, right?
That was the thing
हाँ,
for him.
proper.
This is,
वैसे भी मैं दिल्ली से यहाँ आया हूँ, मैं कैसे लेके जाता इतना बड़ा hamper? So it would have been inconvenient. So
Don't
yeah,
Oh, nice.
don't be
Babu.
salty for no reason.
I hate you that way.
You want cookies? They're salted.
There's also things that can help you get inebriated and all of that.
I'd like that.
No, don't touch anything. I'll give it to
Fine.
people. In
I performed very poorly, I admit.
No, you
But
could have been quicker, that's all.
I could have been quicker, yes.
And slightly politically
Incorrect, but no, I can't be.
But that's okay, that's okay.
Ooh, dates वाले chocolate.
अब बस कर, stop rubbing it in my face, just keep it. एक तो hot लग रही है, ऊपर से
I
hamper भी
won
जीत
both,
लिया.
guys. First game also, second game also.
मेरे को बुलाया
I won
ही क्यों?
both.
No, but like, see, he showed his feet. So that's more victory for
See,
us.
see
And
my
I did
feet.
wo- and-
Take it. See my feet. I don't
And
care.
एक बार मेरे को DM आया था कि हमें तुम्हारे toes के like नाखून के अंदर चाटना है. एक बार मेरे को
Yuck.
DM करा हुआ है. So just saying.
Okay.
Can I have the hamper now? It's a good answer.
Can you keep it? This is-
I can keep it.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah. Okay, he's taking it.
I'm not taking it. No, I can't carry this in a flight. इसलिए मैं हार गया जानबूझ के.
हाँ, जानबूझ के. Okay. Well done, you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you. Congratulations on winning.
Yes.
You gave some great answers
Congratulations
to
on
it.
playing.
Thank you for
I
trying.
appreciate the attempt.
I don't like
But
you.
it's okay. It's okay. You both are always invited on By Invite Only, so please keep coming back. Next time, you can come with someone who you can win this with.
I can win this with her also.
No, you
I
can't.
just chose not to.
That's
I'm really salty. Let's just end this.
Okay, next time you come back and win again.
100%.
Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you for
Did
having
you guys
us.
have fun? Is there any parting words at the end that you would like to say?
I deserve the hamper.
Okay.
Oh, man.
No, I didn't.
It's
You tell me,
very
you tell me.
evidently mine only.
We'll send it to we'll ask the audience also. I believe you won it. What do you think? Comment below and tell us.
Have you ever had people fight so much after a hamper?
Yes, I'll tell you later.
We're not fighting.
Like, whatever banter.
Like, huge fight has happened, I'll
It's
tell you.
Really?
quite- really huge
Season
fight
one,
has happened.
Season 1, yeah. Thank you so much, you guys, for coming. I had a great time. I hope you guys had a great time too. What is your concluding words? He said.
Oh, my concluding words are this was my first talk show and I'm very, very happy that I did it with Renal because he made me feel super comfortable. And also coming with Ankush is always a pleasure because I know him, so I have a comfort level, so I
Yeah.
don't feel awkward or weird. So yes, you chose the perfect person for me to come with and I won the hamper. So yeah.
I'd just like to say I'm looking good today, and that's the only thing that's working out.
And I'm looking good.
Fabulous.
Yeah, but I wish I was fitter, but ठीक है कोई बात नहीं.
It's fine. You're very good also. She answered everything and was also good. That was the only thing.
Yeah,
You
and
were both very good.
you're also biased host.
Why I'm biased host?
I see, I'm just saying.
To who? To who? I know her. I know you from before I know her.
That's true.
I'm just better.
Yeah, that's also true.
I sold your feet in the black market. This is extra revenue for you. We'll cut it.
Okay.
Okay?
Cool.
Because the footage is mine.
But yes, I'll be graceful about losing. Congratulations, Aishwarya. You
Thank
really
you,
deserved
Anku.
it. And thanks, Ranil.
I'll give you one coffee from that.
Okay, good.
Thank you so much. Please keep coming back on By Melody. I told you guys are always invited. And thank you for tuning in again this week. I'll see you guys next week, same place, same time.